Hi, welcome back. Miss Curdy here. Today we are going to talk about topic 4-7, which is actually just some practice with multiplication and division facts. And this will be a great opportunity to just solve a whole bunch of division problems and using our strategies that we learned. Again, the most efficient strategy that we have for division is memorizing all of our multiplication facts and then using those to solve these division equations. So a couple things to remember. Division is the opposite of multiplication. They are called inverse operations. Then we also want to keep in mind that division is all about like sharing. You have a total and then you're dividing it or sharing it with a certain amount of people or groups. And in division equations, you know what the total is. So here we have like a total of 24, 27, 18, 64, 42, and 81. We know the total. But we want to find out either how many groups we would have when we divide that or how many items are in each group. And let me show you what I mean by that. So if we had an equation 24 divided by 6, this could mean we have 24 items and we're putting it into 6 groups and we're wondering what we're going to end up in each group. It can also be thought of as having 24 items and we're putting 6 things in each group and we're wondering how many groups we're going to have. So again, we always know 2 pieces and there's something missing, and that's what we're going to find out as our quotient. So 24 divided by 6, again, I'm going to use my multiplication facts and think 6 times what number equals 24, and I know the answer to that is 4. Here we have 18 divided by 6. 6 times what number is going to give us 18, and I know the answer to that is 3. 27 divided by 3, I know is going to be 3 times what number equals 27. Now, if you don't have this fact memorized, remember we can always skip count. So let's try that. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. And if you get to a point where you're like, I don't have that next number memorized, that's okay. We know we can just add up to 3. 15 plus 3 would give us 18. 18 plus 3 brings us to 21. 21 plus 3 brings us to 24. And then finally, one more would bring us to 27. And then I'm going to count up to see what my answer would be. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 times 9 is 27. 27 divided by 3 is 9. 64 divided by 8, I can think 8 times what number is 64. And I know that mystery number is going to be 8. Take a moment to pause and try these two, whether you use your multiplication facts or you use skip counting, and then come back to check your work. All right, let's take a look. 9 times what equals 81? I can look at this and I know my fact would be 9 times 9. 7 times what mystery number is 42? And I know that 7 times 6 would give us 42. And that's all there is to it. This is just some extra practice to make sure we're able to solve division equations. We want to make sure that we're moving away from drawing pictures or doing repeated subtraction. Those are only if we absolutely need them, but we know that using our multiplication facts or even skip counting is way more efficient to solve these problems. So make sure that that is something that we are focusing on in this topic. Let us know if you have any questions, and I hope you have a really great day.